Welcome to PATRIOTS IAS Academy. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe. Judicial Review. Judicial review is a type of court proceeding in which a judge reviews the lawfulness of a decision or action made by a public body. In other words, judicial reviews are a challenge to the way in which a decision has been made rather than the rights or wrongs of the conclusion reached. India follows procedure established by law. The procedure established by law, it means that a law enacted by the legislature or the concerned body is valid only if the correct procedure has been made follow to the letter. Judicial review is the power exerted by the courts of a country to examine the actions of the legislature, executive and administrative arms of the government and to ensure that such actions conform to the provisions of the nation's constitution. The judicial review has two important functions: legitimizing government action and the protection of constitution against any undue encroachment by the government. Judicial review is considered as the basic structure of the constitution in the Indira Gandhi versus Raj Narain case of 1975. Judicial review is also called the interpretational and observer roles of the Indian judiciary. Sumo motu cases and the public interest litigation with the discontinuation of principle of locus standi have followed the judiciary to intervene in many public issues, even when there is no complaint from the aggrieved party. Types of judicial review. Reviews of legislative actions. This review implies the power to ensure that laws passed by the legislature are in compliance with the provisions of the Constitution. A review of the administrative action. This is a tool for enforcing constitutional discipline over administrative agencies while exercising their powers. Review of judicial decisions. This review is used to correct or make any change in previous decisions by judiciary itself. Importance of judicial review. It is an essential for maintaining the supremacy of the Constitution. It is essential for checking the possible misuse of power by the legislature and executive. It protects the rights of the people. It maintains the federal balance. It is essential for securing the independence of the judiciary. It prevents tyranny of executives. Problems with the judicial review. It limits the functioning of the government. It violates the limit of power said to be exercised by the Constitution when it is override by existing law. Judicial opinions of judges once taken for any case becomes the standard for ruling other cases. Judicial review can harm the public at large as the judgment may be influenced by personal or selfish motives. Repeated interventions of courts can diminish the faith of the people in the integrity, quality and efficiency of government. Constitutional provisions for judicial review. There is no direct and express provision in the Constitution empowering the courts to invalidate laws, but the Constitution has imposed definite limitations upon each of the organs, the transgression of which would make the law void. The court is entrusted with the task of deciding whether any of the constitutional limitation has been transgressed or not. Some provisions in the Constitution supporting the process of judicial review. Article 372(1) established judicial review of the pre-constitutional legislation. Article 13 declares that any law which contravenes any of the provision of part of the fundamental rights shall be void. Article 32 and 226 enters roles of protector and guarantor of fundamental rights of Supreme Court and High Court. Article 13, 32 and 226. Very important. Way forward. With the power of judicial review, the courts act as a custodian of fundamental rights. With the growing functions of modern state, judicial intervention in the process of making administrative decisions and executing them also increased. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel. Please share the video with your friends. There are other subject-wise videos are available in our playlist. Try to watch all those videos. It will help you in your preparations. Thanks for watching.